lost power.
Oh my Lord, this thing is blowing.
Check this out.
Morning. We are going to Knob Hill ski resort. We got a little bit of snow last night. It's kind of breaking right now. It's supposed to be a pretty decent mountain. I haven't been there yet, but it's about 3 hours away. We're about 40 minutes in right now. Need to work on my jumps. Need to work on riding switch, and then I'll probably end up out there all day, and then maybe do a camp and cook out of the back of the Jeep. But, stay tuned.
Walk around. I think she's holding up okay. Oh. Whew. Swaying the Jeep around as well. Oh. Woo. Wheel tire here. Got some duct tape to fix the boot.
Oh, beautiful over here on this side. Not too many people I've seen so far. Oh God. Some bit of mogul action. Keep up the speed on this catwalk. Oh, damn. Oh. I'm not seeing anyone coming down the mountain anymore. And this lift is moving really, really slow. I'm really hoping they're not shutting it down. It is blowing out here though. Oh my God. Yeah, ski patrol shutting it down. That would really suck. Shut it down. Mountain lost power. I knew it. This is no joke. It's gotta be. I was surprised the chairs weren't swaying as much. Let's get this fired up. It is what it is. It is out of here.
So two options.
Both kind of suck, but
It is what it is. See, it's just absolutely blowing out here. Crazy. So power's out in the lodge. The lift, I guess, is running on like backup power or something, because it is running super slow. 3 runs. Yeah, I only got to videotape 1. So I haven't looked at it yet. Hopefully it came out okay, because that would be disappointing drive of 3.5 hours, almost 4. It was blowing up there, man. I haven't, maybe Flagstaff. That's a good mountain though. Anyone coming to Pennsylvania to ski or snowboard, that's a great mountain. It wasn't even completely open either. I know there's a trail down below I thought I saw. So I'm assuming they only had a portion of the mountain actually open. But man, snow was good. A little bit of icy in some spots, but I've been going to Elk Mountain a lot. It's like 2.5 hours from me, but this beats Elk Mountain for sure. Definitely. Looks like everyone's leaving the lodge now. She's blowing, man. Maybe I'll just peek inside, see what it's like. But it wasn't too busy today. Snow was great in a lot of locations. God, I'm kind of upset. But it is what it is. Thankful I got 3 runs in. If I would have gotten here earlier. I can't imagine storm is too bad elsewhere. Coming in, it seemed like it was blowing over. But up here, man, it's ripping. Absolutely ripping. I almost feel like my wiper blades are gonna get blown off. Sheesh! Crazy.
I might just wait. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, awesome. So that guy, thank God he was there. Let me know that they're issuing new or free tickets to come back anytime this season. So that's awesome. Lucked out there. That's almost even better than just having a full day. So now I know this mountain is awesome. I will 100% be coming back. Just maybe not in the middle of a whiteout. Okay, I'm much happier now. Not a complete waste of money. I'm sure a lot of people didn't get their tickets though. The storm was supposed to be passed already by now. Seems to be just lingering. Conditions are definitely getting worse. This is still like whiteout conditions here. She's just blowing. Whew! He's all stuck there, huh? You can't park there. A little bit of an obstruction, huh? Plow trying to get this guy out. Chrysler took a nosedive. Another plow on the other side. Oh dang, shoot. Oh my Lord, this thing is blowing. Oh, this boy's got something to do, man. Go, man. Plow behind me. I don't know if you can see that. He ain't seen here, baby. Oh. So we will stand by. Got a nice quarter tank. Okay. Wonder if this road, Jonestown Road I'm going to, is a worse way out. Because right now it's sure as heck looking like it. Stand by.